It's Tom Hay take a corner kick. It's Idzes! Oh wow! From Italy to Indonesia, Idzes coming from behind to score first goal for Indonesia national team. Indonesia 1, Vietnam 0 in the My Dinh Hanoi Vietnam. Nathan Chow now passing to Ragnar Oratmangun. Still Ragnar, 1, 2, 3 players. Ragnar! So easy from Ragnar Oratmangun. A Fortuna Sittard player now making his debut goal for Indonesia national team. Indonesia 2, Vietnam 0. It's a crossing by Tom Hay. It's Hafner. Rio. Aggie. It's crossbar. And Ramadhan. Game over. Absolutely game over for Vietnam. A dream goes for Ramadhan Sananta.